Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joy, and welcome to Hot Mom's Carpool. I want to thank you all for being here today. It's a fantastic day. I hope you're all having a great, wonderful day, wonderful week. About to have a nice weekend. It's a great day. I hope you're all blessed. Thank you all for being here. Just want you to know I appreciate you. So let's hang out. Hope you like my videos and see what we're going to do next. Today, I thought we'd make something in the air fryer. Like quick and easy, super yummy, hearty, full of protein, and cheesy. So let's get started. So I've got a huge portobello mushroom here, and I've already destemmed it. Oop. I saved the stem. Got her all chopped up right here. So I'll put this to the side. I'm gonna load her up with a couple different things. I got me some fresh mozzarella cheese. Have that all chopped up and ready to go. And a little bit of green onion. Just a little. And what else do I need? Oh yeah, you got time? Do you have time for it? But hope you all have time. I got time. So we got some time. And I think I need to get something. Like spinach. I'm gonna put some spinach in there. And then a little bit of meat. I got some ham and bacon bits. So we got bacon bits and diced up ham, some spinach. I'm gonna put our mushroom over here to the side. Get me out some spinach. I need to eat this up. There's a few wilted ones in here. Put that in my compost. I gotta save this up for my compost. My plants need some food. Okay, so here we go. That's a good amount. I'm just gonna leave the stems on there and all. Get these chopped up. Like, kind of want to stack them up a little bit. My little trick for slicing up some spinach. Stack them up and then roll them up the best you can, and then make little slices. And then you got slices of spinach. And then we'll just roughly chop it, the slices. So we're gonna have some bits of spinach in there. This looks like a lot, but it's going to wilt down. So we'll just put our spinach over here. You can share over here. Sharing is caring, right? Alright, so like we'll put our spinach over here with our little bit of mushroom stems. We got that. And then, yeah, we have our bacon bits and some diced ham. I really like this diced up ham. Let me know what you're all doing today, what you're all up to in the comments. I appreciate your feedback, or even what you think of my videos. How your day's going, let me know. I'm curious. And yeah, so we're gonna load them up. We're gonna load them up. I think we'll just put a little bit of, I don't think it was fake, but I'll just put a little bit of spray on the bottom of my air fryer pan. Get our mushroom over here. I think I'm gonna put some salt in there. Yeah. So I been been a slacker lately. I got my basil salt. I need to like grind it up again. Got kind of chunky when I was drying it out. I'm just gonna get some and sprinkle the inside of the mushroom with some salt. And I got a little bit of garlic powder. I like my seasonings. What else we got? Some smoked paprika. Yummy. Get that in there. That's gonna be yummy and good. And then, what should we put in here first? Maybe we should, it's fine. Alright, we'll just load her up. Put some spinach in here. So I have another one of these mushrooms in the fridge. Maybe I can make me one for dinner or tomorrow. So get our spinach in there in a layer. We'll put a little bit of cheese. And then got some little bit of bacon bits on top of that. Get this ham. Get some yummy ham bits on there. Can't figure out the time. I got some time. What is the time? It's lunchtime. Yeah. Time for y'all to please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate it. If you like my videos, support my channel and comment, share, and all that jazz, whatever you feel more comfortable. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Again, I just want you to know that it's really important to me. Follow along with my journey and spend time with me. We got some onions on top and some more cheese. It's like, okay, we're gonna just press it down and get it loaded up. Alright, what else can we put in there? A little bit more bacon bits on top. And then some more cheese. I'll show you what it looks like. Maybe I should turn this on and get it warmed up. Turn on my air fryer. Okay. It doesn't have like a preheating setting, but when you turn it on, it gets hot. Like we'll put some more cheese on there. Just like shove that cheese on there. Okay. So my doctor's got me on like a ridiculous amount of calcium, but I'm trying to like cut down on the calcium vitamins and like get more natural calcium intake. So we got it. It's split. Woo! Alright, I gotta wash my fingers off. They got all like slippery. And yeah, so I'll show you what she looks like. That's what she looks like before she goes in the air fryer. Pretty big mushroom. gonna be so yummy. Oh yeah. Just put her in there. And we'll see. We'll go for 10 minutes. Try that out. It's at 400. See what that does. Now. My doggie, she got a new training collar, and she's been doing really good. And I don't even have to use it anymore. Like, all I did is go beep beep, like a few times, and made a beep sound, and she's like, oh, I'm gonna listen. And then or I just say beep beep, and she's like, oh, okay, Mom. Or if she's like not listening a little bit, I just show her this, and then she's like, oh no, okay, she's going to lay down now. She thinks I was talking to her. I was talking to her, wasn't I? Yeah. So it is such a beautiful sunshiny day. Hope it's shining on you too. If not, hope I can bring some sunshine into your world, into your life. Make you feel better about your day. I sure do feel better being here with you guys. Gives me something to do. It's hot mom life. It's almost hot mom summer. Got a lot of DIYs coming up. Have some ideas. Made a new hot mom summer outfit the other day, DIY. So, what are you doing? You hungry? You want some? Alright, I need a drink. She's cooking. It's going to take a minute, to get thoroughly hot. I'm going to bring you right back when she's almost done. Okay, just gonna blend this out real quick. Okay, I did that. Alright, so I just want to show you what this does. There's my basil salt. Alright, so I have my little basil salt thingy. Mushroom's almost done. Stuffed mushroom, it's almost done. I need a funnel. I don't have a funnel. So, come on. Come on, come on, come on. There she goes. Come on. Oh my goodness, that smells so strong, like basil. It smells so good. Look at this basil salt. So last year I grew a lot, so I had over this much, like 1.5 I think, all of these worth of basil salt they made. I had to get some basil from the store, make me some, because I just couldn't wait. Just grow it and harvest it and do it on myself. But here we go, she Jean. And she looks really yummy. The cheese is all slipping and sliding in there. Woo! Smells yummy. Smells like the bacon and cheese and yeah. Here we go. Got tongs here. See if I can get her out without her falling apart. She's already split open. Whew. There's a lot of juices in there. Wow. Holy moly. Looky there. Oh, you can't see that, but so juicy. A lot of juices came out of that mushroom. Alright, let's see. It looks so good. Let's show you. I'll cut it open. Yeah. Alright, I'll show you what this looks like. Like, juicy. Izzy wants to see. You see that, baby? It smells so good, don't it? So nice and juicy. Mmm. Yummy. So, let's try this recipe. Tell me what y'all think. Get a bite. I'll show you what it. I'll tell you what I think. So, I like to be a food critic. I don't know. It's a fun fact. I like to go to restaurants and like critic the food and the service. Worked in a lot of restaurants, so like. Yummy. It's crispy on top. Juicy. Mushrooms like tender. So good. I gotta get another bite. That was so yummy. Yeah. So, that is just amazing. I want to thank you so much again for being here today with me. I hope you like my videos. Tell me what you think. And please like and subscribe. Feel free to donate to my channel. Help me grow. You want to see me grow here, follow along with my journey on these adventures. You can donate to my Cash App. I'm taking special requests, DIYs, within reason. And you got any ideas for me, like what you want to see me do next, what kind of videos you like, take your suggestions. I don't know, I'll think about it. See. You want a bite? Yeah, you do. That's so yummy. It's such a shiny day. I gotta go get outside. I don't know about you, but get some exercise, feel better. Hope this day is going good for you and you feel a little bit better stopping by here. Thanks for being here. Bye.